Welcome everyone to this video. Since the IPL is about to start and the players list has been released, I thought about doing some videos related to this year's IPL. So starting with this video, we will see about what is IPL, who started it, when was it started and other such informations about it. So let's get started on Brainy Trivia. So, do you know what is IPL? Not the abbreviation. The IPL is the Professional Cricket League in India. It follows the T20 format, also called as 2020, where the game has a total of 20 overs per inning. This league is played between March and May of every year. So, do you know who started the IPL league? It was started by the BCCI. There are a total of 8 teams that represent different cities or states in India. The first edition was played in 2008 and the last edition in 2020, and the latest edition is 2021, which is about to start. The current teams that are playing in this year are Chennai Super Kings, Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals, Punjab Kings, Delhi Capitals, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders. The format in which the game is played is called as the round robin and playoffs format. Now a fun fact. The IPL is one of the most attended cricket leagues in the world. In fact, in 2014 it was given the 6th place in terms of the average attendance among all sports leagues in the world. There are various trophies given to the players in the IPL. And two of the important and famous ones are the orange cap and the purple cap. Did you know what is an orange cap? It is given to the player with the most runs and the purple cap to the player with the most wickets. We'll see about the facts and statistics of players in the upcoming video. So press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification if you don't want to miss them. To know more about IPL matches, results and timings and who's playing, subscribe the channel for more updates. Like the video if you enjoyed it. If you stayed till the end of the video, then thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you again.